Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to do a simple yet delicious mushroom and sweet potato recipe. So these are my main ingredients, which is my sweet potato and my mushroom. So let's get straight into today's video. First, we're going to pierce our mushroom. You can either use a fork or a knife. I go for using a fork as it digs deeper, and the knife would give it too much of a big slices. Then we individually wrap them into foil paper, and we season them with a bit of salt and garlic powder, and we also spray some oil on it to so it can absorb into the potato. So I am using a roast potato seasoning as well to roast my potatoes with. So after wrapping them individually, we put them into a baking dish and put them in the oven to bake for approximately 40 minutes at 180 degrees. While our potato is baking, we will start on our mushroom. So first we're going to add a bowl with a bit of water and some salt to it. Then we slice our mushroom. You can slice it any way you like it. I'm just doing some slices. And we do not have to cut the chaff of the mushroom off, as it is edible as well. So after slicing our mushroom, we will be washing them in the salt water and get off all that, little excess bit that we don't need inside our food. After wash them, we drain them and put them aside into another container. And at this junction, I would like to ask you where you're watching us from, how did you come across our video, and which of our recipes is your favorite. So in another bowl, we put some paper towels, some kitchen paper towels in, because we want to make sure that we absorb as much as the water from the mushroom as possible. And then we place another on top and we press it down to press out much of the water. Then we just prep our scallion, peppers and onions. So we're going to go straight in with the mushroom into the pan, and we did not add any oil. We just heat the pan and add the mushroom straight in, and we keep it there until you can see there is no liquid. All the liquid as evaporates out. And at this point, we're going to add just about a teaspoon of coconut oil, and we're going to wait until it dissolves, after which we'll be adding our onions and peppers in the same pan. After which we combine the mushroom and peppers and onions together, and we give it a good mix. And then we had a bit of mustard, which is not compulsory, but it's just me that like to jazz up my cooking a bit. Then we had some ground garlic granules, we had some peppers, paprika, and some cayenne peppers. Then we had in our cream, and I'm using some double cream. We give it a good mix, and then we're going to leave it to cook for about another 2 to 3 minutes. Look how creamy and rich that is looking. And there you go, guys. Look how creamy and rich this is looking. If you could just smell the aroma out of my kitchen. Now we're just going to chop up a bit of parsley for garnishing. It's not compulsory, but we always see these little green things on top of our cooking. So I'm just adding it there, and I'm putting it into a bowl. I'm gonna add some cream to it just to make a sauce with it. So that's some lemon zest I had there, and just a little bit of cream just to make a sauce. I don't know where this come from. It's just a thought at the moment, and was tasting really delicious. So our potato is roasted. Look how nice and fluffy this potato look. We slice it straight down in the middle, and then we're just going to press it aside. Wow, look at that. You can use the fork to smash it out a little bit, because we're going to be eating everything and nothing is going in the bin. Then we had our creamy mushroom on top of it. Guys, this was so delicious. I enjoy it, and that's our little cream sauce, inventory creamy sauce that we just made, and it goes well with our potato and mushroom. And as I always said, you can try any of my recipes and let me know how yours turn out. And you can see me here enjoying it. Guys, this was so delicious. I just wish you could taste this through the camera. Until I come again, this is Anne's Cooking. I must say thank you for watching and God bless.